Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm at a very historical place. It's the Point Prim Lighthouse located in PEI. It's roughly 53 kilometers east of Charlottetown, so it's a 40-minute ride roughly. This is the first lighthouse which was built in PEI, and it's also the oldest. It was built in the year 1845, which is nearly 30 years before PEI joined Confederation. The structure is of tapered cylindrical brick structures layered with wooden shingles. It's one of the only two in Canada. The other one is in BC, British Columbia. The name of that lighthouse is Fiscard. Fiscard and Point Prim are the only two lighthouses in Canada which are made from a round form of brick structure, which makes it the only lighthouse in PEI which is the most unique. The rest of them do not have a round form brick structure. The lighthouse was initially built back in 1845 to guide vessels into the Charlottetown Harbour. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. It's a very historical place, and there's hundreds of visitors which come here, and the roads are easily accessible, so it's a very easy place to come.